Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Thinkware has sent us a sample of their brand new LTE module to work with the Thinkware U3000 Pro. And they've also revamped their Thinkware Connected cloud offering. So we're going to be diving into all of that today in this video. So this is the Thinkware LTE module. Kind of tiny, but this is Thinkware's serious entry into the cloud market to directly compete with BlackVue Cloud. So you might be wondering, well, hasn't Thinkware Connected existed before? Yes, they have. But before, you always needed Wi-Fi or a separate standalone hotspot. Now they've released their own standalone LTE module, similar to the BlackVue CM100G LTE module as well, designed exclusively to work with the new Thinkware U3000 Pro. So let's jump right into the highlights. But before that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you have a Thinkware dashcam, and comment down below if you've got something else. So for those of you who are new to this, an LTE module, all it does is it connects your dashcam to the cloud. Meaning, similar to parking mode, which is that safety feature that keeps your dashcam running even when your car ignition is off. Basically, this is an extension to the parking mode, which allows you to get notified when you're away from the car. So here are the key highlights for this dashcam accessory. So you're gonna get your LTE module, and then what Thinkware has done is they've included a eSIM as well. So there's no need for a third-party SIM card. Everything already comes in a box. You just have to slot the SIM card directly into the LTE module and you're good to go. One thing though, we did confirm with Thinkware that you cannot use your own SIM card with it. You gotta use their eSIM. And on top of that, you're gonna get two power cables right here. They work exactly the same way. It's just that one is 3 meters, the other is 0.5 meters. The cable that you choose just depends on where you end up installing your LTE module, whether on your windshield or you want to hide it in your glove box. And it's pretty easy to install. All you got to do is plug it into your port in your U3000 and it's going to work right away. There is one limitation though. Thinkware is also going to be offering an IR cam add-on for their U3000 Pro. However, they both share one input port. So you unfortunately can't use both the LTE module and the IR cam simultaneously. You got to choose one or the other. But then with the IR cam, you can essentially run your U3000 like a 3-channel setup. Now let's talk about the service. So with the launch of the LTE module, Thinkware has also revamped their Thinkware Connected service. So now they have 2 tiers. One is basic and the other is premium. We'll go over the key highlights of a basic plan. And essentially you're just getting a little bit more with the premium plan. But personally, I think the premium plan is more geared towards fleets and businesses. I think for a normal, typical user, a day-to-day driver, the basic plan is probably gonna suffice for what you need. Let's talk about the basic plan. It's gonna have everything that you'd come to expect in a cloud service. 24/7 remote monitoring, emergency messaging, smart tracking, and my favorites are the real-time alerts and the remote live view, and so much more. And the crazy thing is, when you get the LTE module, Thinkware is throwing in the first 3 years of the basic plan for free, and you get 1 month of the premium plan as well, which just includes more of what you get in the basic plan. To sum it all up, well, if you're an average daily user, the basic plan is going to be everything that you need. Lastly, if you're a business owner and you manage multiple vehicles or a fleet of vehicles, then you should definitely check out the premium plan because it's got all the features that you need. And for those enthusiasts out there who's wondering, what's the difference between Thinkware Connected and BlackVue Cloud? At the end of the day, they're both very similar. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up a chart here so you can pause here and have a read over the differences between the 2 services. If you're running the Thinkware U3000 Pro, well, you're gonna go with the Thinkware LTE module. Whereas if you run a BlackVue dashcam, you're gonna be going with BlackVue Cloud. They're both excellent value, but it's really nice to see Thinkware offering 3 years of their basic plan for free with their LTE module. And that's it guys on the new Thinkware LTE module and the new Thinkware Connected service. Do me a favor guys, if you're a fan of us, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar. And last thing guys, we're putting together a video on dashcam hot takes. So if you've got a dashcam hot take, drop them in the comments below and we just might cover it in a future video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.